good name?
Shreya Rasaily.
And can we just have a short introduction about yourself?
Hello everyone, my name is Shreya Rasaily and I am the title holder of Miss Iconic Face of NorthEast 2022. I am a self-motivated and a hard-working person and currently pursuing my higher studies from BSF Senior Secondary School, Shillong. My hobbies includes cooking, dancing, modeling, acting, reading books, and the most important, exploring. I believe that there is no greater thing to do in your life and your work than follow your passion in such a way that serves the world and you. Thank you.
Okay. So, was it your first pageant or you have participated before?
This is my first pageant.
Okay. So, what are the titles you won?
The small crown is for the subtitle winner of Miss Beautiful Face of NorthEast, and this one is for the winner of Iconic Face of NorthEast Season 4.
Okay. So, how was your experience in this show?
My experience was really very good. I got to learn many things, and first of all I would like to thank the organizer of Akriti events for giving me this beautiful opportunity to showcase my talent, and also a special thanks to all my groomers, Miss Silsi Dangomarak, Mr. Siddharth Pradhan, Mr. Debraj, Mr. Neetu Raj for grooming me so well, and that's why just because of them and my parents today I am here.
Just you said about your parents, so we would like to know how was your parents' reaction when you first told them about, first you tell them about you participating in this pageant?
They were fully supporting me during this pageant, and as on 15th of July it was my father's birthday, and I gifted him this beautiful gift as a Miss Beautiful Face of NorthEast and the winner of Iconic Face of NorthEast.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
नमस्ते, मैं श्रेया रसैली का पापा। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मेरी बेटी ने आइकॉनिक फेस ऑफ नॉर्थईस्ट विजयी होकर आई है। आकृति इवन को मैं तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने मेरी बेटी को ये अवसर दिया, और मैं सभी माता पिताओं से ये अनुरोध करता हूँ कि अपने बेटियों को आगे बढ़ने की अवसर दे, कोई भी इवेंट में और सपोर्ट कीजिए। धन्यवाद।